Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 24 hours readathon. I know it's been a while, like I did one readathon in Feb I guess, and that was a romance readathon, but this time there's no genre theme to this readathon. I'm going to read whatever I feel like in the day. So let's check out my TBR. So the first book I have on my TBR is The Very Secret Society of Irregular Witches. I have read 16 pages of it. I've just started it, so I want to continue this. It started really good. I know I have only read 16 pages, but still I think I like the writing. I'm liking how she thinks, like the main character thinks. I like how quirky and witty she is. So I'm excited to like binge read this. Then I have The Pairing, a very vacation in Europe romance, and there's like best friends, two lovers. I think that's the trope. I think these are all like 300 pages books, so they're quite easy to finish if I'll just put my mind to it and sit and read. If I don't feel like reading romance, then I can pick a heist book. So I have this. I think I've talked about these books in my September TBR, and I am yet to finish them, and I want to finish them before this year ends. And this is the end of November, so I want to read these right now so that I can read holiday books in December. So I'm gonna try and finish these today. Then I have A Cozy Mystery, A Murderous Plot. I read the previous book and I liked it, so I'm going to be enjoying this for sure because I like cozy mysteries and this story. And I think this is, oh, the font is big and it's 300 pages. Again, these are easy. If I'll sit for 24 hours, I can finish 3 or 4 of these. So let's hope कि मैं actually इसमें से 3-4 books तो ख़त्म कर दूँ. And the last book I have here is The Spell Shop. It's a cozy fantasy cottagecore book and magic, cozy, a spell shop. What else do we need? Like these are the keywords, that's it. These are the books I have. I'm going to start the timer. Right now it's 11:30. So I'm going to see how much I can read in the actual 24 hours, like till tomorrow's 11:30. And also I'm going to start the timer to see how many hours I actually read in 24 hours, like in a day. So that's what we are gonna do. I don't know कि क्या होगा. We'll see as the day goes. But let's start. I am excited. I want to make a coffee. I haven't had my coffee. It's 11:30. It's almost noon. So I'm going to go make a coffee, sit down, pick a book. Maybe I'll start with The Secret Society of Irregular Witches. Just made my coffee and I'm going to taste it now. It's good. So let me give you a quick synopsis of this book. So what happens is our main character Mika Moon is a witch, and these witches, like in her world, the witches are in hiding and they only have a meeting like in 3 months, and that too it is a very secret meeting. The society, like their witches society, is very secretive, and there are very strict rules to protect them. So they don't really talk to each other, they don't really meet each other apart from that outside that meeting. Mika posts witchy content on social media, and she has like 10k plus followers. And one day she gets a message saying that come and teach these magical children. So now she is going to this very secluded house and she's gonna meet these 3 children. We are gonna see what is going to happen next. This is giving very House in the Cerulean Sea vibes, but you know that a house on the very end of the city or the land, and then there are children, and we are gonna see what is going to happen. So it's like it's giving already giving very cozy vibes. So I'm excited to read this. Loving the witty banter. Like I'll read this sentence or the paragraph. Mika slowed the car, frowning. She couldn't see anything other than trees, leaves, and the road. Had she been tricked? Was she about to be murdered in woods like every wide-eyed damsel in every horror movie ever? She looked at it disapprovingly. Like, this is what I was talking about. So, I'm liking it so far. I'm gonna now start the timer, going to start reading, and I'll see you in a bit. I am on page 50 now. So I finished 50 pages of this. Like not 50, I started on 16. So here's the thing that these witches always end up being orphans. So somehow their parents get killed in some accident or the other. So that's what they always face. So that's why these three kids, these three children are in a care and they don't know how to control the magic. There's nobody to teach them. That's why the housekeepers need somebody to teach them to control their magic, because there's a solicitor who's going to come to their house, and if he sees that these children are witches, then he is going to be very vicious. So that is this high stake, like the stake of this plot and this story. So that's why she's here. She's going to teach them. That's what we're gonna see. I am loving the writing. It's so easy. It's so easy to like read the book. It flows really very well. I'm going to continue this book, and simultaneously whenever I have some chores, like I have couple of chores which I need to do, which I do daily. So I'm going to do them, and that's when I'm going to listen to an audiobook which I'm listening to currently. It's called Perfect Fit, and it's about this girl who owns a fashion brand. She started that business, so she's the CEO, and he is a consultant. He was her high school friend's twin brother, and they have met after 10 years, and now he's helping her in her business to get some certifications. So it's like a second chance romance as well as workplace romance. So it's good to see how they knew each other back then, what they were going through back then, now what is happening in their life. They are grown up, they are mature, they are learning about each other, and they learn about each other through knowing their worst times and their worst things. So which is a really good thing. They actually have conversations, which is like my favorite part, that they just don't end up together by just looking at each other after 10 years. No, they are actually having conversations, they are going through things, and it's really good to see that. I mean, the main guy is a total fictional, what do you call it, fictional boyfriend material. So I don't know why, but he's giving that 7 year slip guy's vibes. I don't remember his name. So he's giving that vibe, and I'm loving it. I think I have finished 87% of it. So there's only 13% left. I think that's 1 hour 22 minutes. I checked it. So I'm going to listen to it while doing things. If I need to do things, because I know I'm going to need to do a few things. So I can use that time to finish my audiobook, and it would be very helpful. So yes, now I'm going to continue reading this book and that book. Like I'll go back and forth in these two books so that I can finish two books at least today. Reading wise, it's been 3 hours and 40 minutes, and I started this challenge at 11:30, and it's right now, so it's 5 p.m. So बीच में टाइम गया है इधर उधर कुछ कुछ करते टाइम. So that's okay. I finished, no, I didn't finish. I am on page 176. I'm almost halfway through this book. So it's a good thing. I'm loving it. It's so good. It's like मुझे फ़ोन देखने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. It's that good. So I'm liking how it's going so far. There's a grumpy ex-sunshine trope. So even that is going cute. The found family aspect of this book is just, that's the main trope. Grumpy Sunshine bhi chhod do. That's like a subplot. The main trope is found family, and the family is so sweet. Like I just love it. This book is very warm and cozy, and I'm liking it. And I don't want this to end. I literally don't want this story to end. But I can't, like, you can't stop, but you don't want it to end. That kind of a situation. I finished the audiobook which I was listening to, Perfect Fit. There's no third act of breakup in that book, and that's like automatically एक star बढ़ जाता है whenever that's not the case, because I don't like those unnecessary third act of breakups. Like they have adjusted with each other, they have understood each other so much that there is no sense. If there had been a third act of breakup, I would have just given it a 3 stars, but it's a total 5 stars from me. I mean, right now I think it's a 5 star. I don't know if I'll change my rating later. She is the CEO, right? So she has faced burnout and she is like, she wants to be on top of her game. She doesn't want people to think that she's just another 20 something girl who started her business and it just happened because of her luck and not because of her efforts and her hard work. That's one of the topics which is talked about and discussed in that book, which is really good. The main guy, Charles James, what is his name? So he is very understanding, very supportive. He's like, he even says that even if you give me 10%, I'm ready to give you 90% on your worst days, but I want you and nobody else. Like, it's a 5 star book. Okay, that book was so good. Even the female friendships are written so beautifully. I understand now why Haley Pham gave this author's first book, I don't know first, but the previous book 5 stars. Like, she loved that book, Love Interest, and now I want to read that. I can see why it's 5 star book, because the writing is good, the characters are beautiful, the story is nice, like really good, and it's not just another rom-com, so it made me really happy. Like, I liked the fact that it's not just like, third act of breakup डालना है जानबूझ के जबरदस्ती, नहीं वैसा वाला नहीं था ये. I finished that and I just started like 2-3 minutes ago. So I started a short story. It's called Once Upon a Christmas Tree, and it's another audiobook, so I can listen it and continue it while doing things, so that मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बुक पढ़ी है इन दिस चैलेंज, एंड ऑल्सो आई कैन गेट थ्रू सम ऑफ दिस बुक्स. सो आई स्टार्टेड दैट. इट्स अ प्रीक्वल. सीरीज स्टार्ट नहीं हुई है. आई थॉट कि वहाँ पे देर मस्ट बी सम बुक फॉर दिस शॉर्ट स्टोरी टू बी कॉल्ड अ प्रीक्वल, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. द ऑथर स्टार्टेड द सीरीज विद अ प्रीक्वल शॉर्ट स्टोरी, क्रिसमस शॉर्ट स्टोरी, वेर वी गेट इंट्रोड्यूस टू ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स, and then the story will actually start. I don't know why I'm not in focus. I'm so sorry. So that's what it is, and I'm going to listen to it. I have a few things to do, and then I'm going to continue reading this book. And I mean, आधा दिन चला गया है and I have only read for 3.5 hours, so I don't know how people do this for 24 hours. Like, how do people get time to read? जब जब मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ ना कि वो 24 hours readathon कर रहे हैं and they read like 4 books, I'm like, how can you read so much in one day? Also, my eyes started paining because I was continuously reading, so I took a break and listened to the audiobook, so it helped me. So I closed my eyes, sat there and listen to the audiobook, so that was a good thing. I'm gonna do this. I have certain errands to run. I don't want to, but I can't postpone them, so I have to do that. So maybe I'm going to do like 24 hours and I'll continue it till tomorrow. Like, I'll read whatever hours are left, so I'll cover those hours tomorrow. We'll see how this goes. I'm still not sure. So I'm going to listen to the audiobook and do this simultaneously. I have multiple audiobooks this time. Like, usually I get couple of arcs on NetGalley, but this time I have around 3-4 or ज़्यादा, because I never get approved for these many arcs, but this time I accidentally got approved like 3-4 arcs in the span of 2 days. So now I have a lot of arcs to get through, and then I want to read this book because I don't want to stop. And that's the best thing, like when you're binging, it's like the story is fresh in your mind, so you can like get through it. I don't like when there are too many disturbances and too many days in between. So whenever I've given a 6 star to a book, it's when I have binge read it. Yes, I'm going to continue this. I'm going to make a chai, or maybe we'll have a coffee, I don't know. My sister is making some plans, I don't know. I'll see कि क्या होता है. I'm gonna continue this, continue that. See you soon. It's 11:15 right now. I changed into a different t-shirt and I finished this book. It's been, I think, 7 hours 15 minutes so far, like reading time, एंड लाइक 12 घंटों में मैंने सिर्फ 7 आवर्स पढ़ा है. सो देयर इज़ दैट विच आई रियलाइज टुडे कि इतना ही पढ़ पाई मैं. बाकी के 5 घंटे क्या कर रही थी मैं, इधर उधर की चीज़ें, एंड आई हैड टू गो एंड रन दैट एरेंड. So but I was listening to the book while going there and coming back, so there was that, like not this book, the other one. So I finished this book. I don't know, I maybe I'll talk about this tomorrow. I don't know, I'm very tired. I think इतना पढ़ने के बाद my eyes are very dry, and also because I'm not looking at screen, I'm very sleepy, because usually when you're looking at a screen you stay awake, right, for some time after, even after you have like, you get my point. I can't even think properly and form sentences properly anymore. But I finished this book, a really good book, like a 5-star book. I'll talk about it tomorrow. I'm listening to the Once Upon a Christmas Tree. It's a novella, so it's 220 pages, which is like almost an entire book. मतलब वो और परफेक्ट फिट पकड़ के एक बुक ख़त्म हो जाएगी ऐसा. So I'm listening to that. I'm 37% through that book. I'm gonna continue listening to that while I lie down. Also, I thought कि मैं ये वाली book start करूँगी, but the font is very small. Like it's so small. I don't know. I mean, I compared it with this book and it's small. I mean, you can't see it on camera because मुझे भी थोड़ा ध्यान से देखना पड़ा कि actually ये small है या नहीं है. It's smaller than this one. So अभी तो मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है इतना छोटा फॉन्ट पढ़ने का. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई वांटेड टू रीड द स्पेल शॉप, बट मुझे बैक टू बैक विची बुक्स भी नहीं पढ़ने हैं बिकॉज इवन दैट्स अ कोजी विची फैंटेसी. तो आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. एंड आई विल सी कि मैं क्या करूँगी. आई डोंट नो. आई विल अपडेट यू व्हेनेवर आई हैव एन अपडेट. Next day and it's noon, so technically 24 hours are up, but I have only read like for, I don't know, I should have done like timer instead of stopwatch. So timer goes like 1 or 2 or 3 hours and the stopwatch goes ulta. Now I have to calculate it in my head, so I'll put the screenshot here. I haven't even read for 12 hours, so I'm gonna try and finish this book today. I started this book yesterday, like I read 10 pages, and since morning I'm on page 38, so I read like 20-30 pages more. I'm gonna continue reading this. Maybe I'll give you the final update in this video. I hope I'll give you it today. This book is about a con man and he knows party tricks, and then he gets into the gambling world. That's how he earns, and now he got into trouble, like he goes into jail and now he is out. That's what we are seeing. These are diary entries, and we are gonna see what is going to happen if he gets a revenge, what is going to happen. So basically, yeah, heist to take revenge. So that's what is going to happen. I'm excited to see. The chapters are very short, so very and really short, that's what I said. So they are they are very short, so I'm liking that. 38 pages in, and the font is small. Like even though I thought the book is very slim and chotu see, so I can finish it quickly, the font is small. Oh, that's like 500 pages होंगे तो भी चलेगा, but I need the font bigger, you know. So I'm going to continue reading this, and I'm 70% through Once Upon a Christmas Tree, and that book is so cute. I'm so happy I picked it up. It's a prequel, and we are seeing them in the Christmas week, I think, or holiday, that December. And then the thing, like, there's a gingerbread contest. The female main character owns a Christmas tree farm, and she is trying to pay off some debt. Her parents is dead. She's juggling 2-3 jobs. Like she works at a diner, she runs her Christmas tree shop, then also she has something else, she's volunteering at a cafe. So there's that. So we are seeing her doing all these things, and it's like perfect cozy book. The main guy, he's a royalty, so that's what it is. She doesn't know that he's a royalty, so it's really cute, it's fun, I'm liking it. I'm gonna finish that today, of course, because abhi 30% hi bacha hai. So I'm gonna finish this book, like the Diary of a Con Man, and that book, and then I'll stop the readathon. Also, let's talk about this book as well, now that I'm ready. कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा chit chat. So I was filming a short, so I decided to get ready, film the short like my daily short. Then I'm talking to you all about this. This book, it has so many different representations. Like our main character is Indian. There are the kids are from different backgrounds, and there's a lot of diversity. There's a queer rep. The romance was very sweet, and it's about human connections, family, love, and magic. Lots of magic, and I absolutely loved it. I get it why it's compared to House in the Cerulean Sea. It gives the same vibes. The children are very sweet. They are different from one another. They are fun. They just make the book 10 times better. All the other main characters, like all the people who are managing that house, are so sweet, and they have their own quirks, and I love to read about all of them. So I highly recommend this book. It's really, really good. And it's a 5 star. I said that yesterday, right? So it's a 5 star. And now I'm going to continue reading the book because I want to finish both the books today. So yes, I'm gonna do that. Bye. It's been couple of days since I finished my 24 hours readathon. I mean, I didn't finish it, but I stopped reading for that readathon. And I'm on page 100 of this book, and it's going good. It's not fast paced, it's medium paced. I'm liking it so far. I'm liking the whole world and also our main character. And they are planning something, he and his friends. So I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna read this and update it on my social media somewhere else. So look out for that. And I finished Once Upon a Christmas Tree, and it was such a cute book. I absolutely loved it. I am excited to see how it goes, like how the entire series goes. It was a prequel. They didn't end up together, so that means we are gonna get a book about those two. So I was thinking कि अगर ये इधर ही खत्म हो गया तो ये prequel में ही खत्म हो जाएगा इनकी मतलब इनकी story. But now that won't happen. We are gonna get a book which I got to know from the author's story. So that's a good thing. That's it for this challenge. I'm gonna try and read for 24 hours next time. So it's like last time मैंने barely 7-8 घंटे पढ़ा था. This time I have read like for 12 hours, almost 12 hours. And next time we are gonna like increase the number of hours and do better every single time. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that मुझे ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं और ऐसे ही intense challenges करूँ, like you know it will motivate me. And thanks for watching. Bye.